then let's go to accessibility tools. This one is a new feature inside of Adobe Color. Okay, this one will enable you to detect if there is a potential color conflict depending on what type of color blindness you are solving. In our case, if you go to accessibility tools, you can click on the color blind safe icon toggle here. So this will enable you to just analyze what types of possible conflicts that you will be facing if you pick a specific color. In our case, it has detected that the color palette, the color swatch, which is D and E, are in conflict. So what we can do is that we move this to make this color blind safe. Okay, in our example, let's just move this. What we can do here is that we can use this sliders. Yan. As you would see here, this one is safe already. And all of this is already color blind safe. This will give you a message that no conflicts found and swatches are color blind safe. So that's how you solve this problem. Okay? If we go here, you can simulate a specific color blindness. This one, ito yung katapat niya. If you're viewing this on A, this will be for specific color blindness such as deuteranopia, protanopia, and tritanopia. I'm not a color blindness expert, so I cannot define a specific expertise of mine to help you on this. But this will give you an example on how the colorblind individuals will see the colors that you created for them. As you would see here, tingnan nyo, if you go to E, pala, that green will be yellow on a specific color blindness. Okay? Pag wala kayong accessibility tools, check nyo baka naka-desktop, hindi kayo naka-desktop view. Okay? And you see, so what can we do after this? You can click show RGB sliders on the left side, and you can also manually correct this on your own. Okay. In my example, I've already corrected this, and all of this doesn't have any conflicts at all. Okay. So I'm just going to save this, and let's save this as solving colorblind. Colorblind safe. Let's save this. Colorblind safe. Yeah. And then I'm just going to enter some tags for creativity for all, colorblind, and publish this to color. So as you would see here, this has been verified as the team is colorblind safe. Okay. I'm just going to click save on this. Double check on which library I'm saving this. Click on save, and that's how we all use Adobe Color on its every tab. This one is a big deal because you know why? 3 to 8% of the world's population is has what we call color vision deficiency or color blindness. So malaki. Imagine ilan tayong billion na tao sa buong mundo. And 3 to 8% of the world's population is colorblind or has what we call color vision deficiency. If you want to design inclusive layouts, visual communication pieces, you have to also address this.